Hi guys, this is Jobs from the Itchy Worms. When the Itchy Worms got a string of hits back in 2006, everyone thought we were a new band. Pero 10 years old na yung banda nun. We were a college band, and after graduating, we recorded our first album. Hindi yun sumikat, pero we won several awards including Best New Artist. Lahat ng hirap, pinagdaanan namin dun sa first 10 years namin. Walang tao nanonood sa gig, walang mahanap na gig, kukunti yung bumibili ng albums, walang bayad sa mga gig, walang magagandang equipment, lahat na yata pinagdaanan namin. But we loved making music, and we believed in each other. Ingit na ingit ako noon nung sumikat na yung mga paisa-isa, yung mga kabatch namin. Of course, I was very happy for them. Kasi they were my friends. Pero syempre mapapaisip ka, kailan kaya kami sisikat? Kaya nung sumikat na yung The Itchy Worms, naisip ko, buti na lang we didn't give up. Kasi we've always believed in our talents. I guess we were just waiting for the world to realize it as well. Kaya don't give up on your dreams. What you choose to do today can make all the difference tomorrow. Trust yourself. Get an FWD plan today. FWD Life Insurance is celebrating its 10th anniversary by encouraging you to trust yourself. There's no better person to give you advice than you. Watch FWD's latest film and be inspired.